When you search for the best flash for your Sony A6300, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you gotta dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Photolex FK300. First up is the Photolex Camera Flash Speedlight FK300. At just $40.99, this flash caught my eye because of its strong GN33 output, which means you're getting powerful lighting for your indoor portraits and events. If you want a reliable flash that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The GN33 power means it can effectively light up a room, making your subjects pop without losing detail. It also features 3 flash modes: manual, S1, and S2, giving you options for various lighting setups. The 8-level power adjustment lets you fine-tune the brightness from subtle fill light to maximum output, which is perfect for capturing those candid moments. Plus, it operates at a daylight color temperature of 5600 K, ensuring your colors are true to life without strange color casts. With over 1,000 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, it's clear that many users are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the plastic build quality. Here's the thing though, while it may not feel as sturdy as some premium models, it's more than adequate for most casual and semi-professional photographers. If you handle it with care, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or looking for an affordable option that delivers solid performance. Skip this one if you're a seasoned pro needing advanced features. For the price, you're getting great value here. Now, if the build quality of the Photolex FK300 concerned you, the next option addresses that with a more premium feel. Product number 2, Godox V863S. Next, let's talk about the Godox V863S. Priced at $229, this flash is a bit of an investment, but it's packed with features that make it stand out. If you want superior performance and reliability, this one's definitely worth a serious look. What caught my attention is its 1.5-second recycling time and up to 480 full power flashes. That means you won't miss those crucial moments during a shoot, especially in dynamic environments. The built-in 2.4G wireless X system ensures seamless connectivity, which is fantastic if you plan to shoot off camera. Plus, the 10-level modeling light lets you visually assess your lighting setup before you shoot, which is a game changer for precision photography. With a solid 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, users rave about its capabilities. Now, some users mentioned that the weight can be a bit cumbersome for long shoots. Here's the thing. While it might feel heavier than some alternatives, the performance and reliability make it worth carrying around, especially if you're doing professional work. This is perfect for you if you're a serious enthusiast or professional photographer looking for reliable performance and advanced features. Skip it if you're on a tight budget or just getting started. With the features it offers, you're getting a solid return on your investment here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more compact. Product number 3, Godox M30 Mini Flash. Now we have the Godox M30 Mini Flash, priced at just $34.90. This little guy is perfect for those looking for something compact and lightweight. If you want a flash that's easy to carry around, this is worth a serious look. The M30 offers 7 adjustable power levels, which is great for fine-tuning your exposure in various lighting conditions. It's optimized for pancake lenses or short lenses, making it ideal for travel and everyday shooting. At a color temperature of 6500 K plus or minus 200 K, it provides good color accuracy. However, it's worth noting that it does require 2 AAA batteries to operate, which isn't included. With a decent 4.4-star rating and nearly 900 reviews, users appreciate its portability and effectiveness for casual shoots. Now, some buyers pointed out that it's not compatible with certain camera models and can create shadows with longer lenses. Here's the thing though, if you mainly use compact gear, this flash works wonderfully and is a fantastic addition to your kit. This is perfect for you if you're a traveler or a casual shooter who values portability. Skip this one if you use larger lenses often or need TTL capabilities. For the price, it's a solid little investment. If the compatibility issues concerned you, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 4, Godox TT522 Flash. Coming up next is the Godox Wireless 433 MHz GN33 camera flash speedlight. Priced around $54, this flash offers a lot of bang for your buck. If you're looking for solid flash with wireless capabilities, this one's worth checking out. It features 433 MHz wireless transmission with 16 channels, which means you can easily trigger it remotely. With a flash duration of 1/300s to 1/20,000s, it delivers clear and vivid images, making it adaptable to various shooting conditions. The 8 variable flash outputs from 1/128th to full ensure you can meet your light demands perfectly. Users appreciate the multiple auto self-protections for power saving and overheating, which is essential for longer shoots. With an impressive rating of 4.5 stars from over 700 reviews, it's clear that many photographers are satisfied with its performance. Now, some users found the setup process a bit tricky, particularly for beginners. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the flexibility it offers is well worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable flash that can be used in various settings and with different cameras. Skip this one if you need a flash that's super easy to set up right out of the box. For the price, you're getting great value. Now, if you like the wireless capabilities but want something simpler, the next flash might be just the ticket. Product number 5, Neewer TT560. Finally, we have a Neewer TT560 camera flash speedlight, which comes in at $42.74. This model is great if you're looking for a manual flash at an affordable price. If you want a reliable manual flash, definitely consider this one. The TT560 offers a GN38 output with 8 manual power levels, allowing you to adjust lighting to your specific needs. It has a daylight color temperature of 5600K plus or minus 200K, which means your colors will remain natural in different lighting situations. The recycling time is between 0.1 to 5 seconds, which is quite decent for a manual flash. With an incredible 12,900 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, it's a well-loved option among budget-conscious photographers. Now, some buyers mention the lack of TTL and high-speed sync features as a downside. Here's the thing. If you're comfortable working manually and want to learn, this is a great tool to hone your skills. This is perfect for you if you enjoy manual control over your photography and want a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you need automatic features or shoot frequently in fast-paced environments. For the features it offers, it's a solid value for your money. So, to wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic flashes for your Sony A6300. The Photolex FK300 is great for beginners. The Godox V863S is perfect for serious photographers. The Godox M30 is ideal for travelers. The Godox TT522 offers wireless flexibility, and the Neewer TT560 is perfect for those who love manual control. Each has its strengths and is worth considering based on your specific needs.